Muskie Bob here. Oh my, that's me breathing heavy. It was a long walk through some deep stuff. Today, I'm going to try a new camera angle on the Carbon Cub. It's the Mobius Mini, and I got it mounted. Oh yeah, I think this is going to be cool. If you can see, I put some weight, a stack of quarters right here. It doesn't look that great, but you know, I think this is going to work. And I'm ready to do a flight. We'll see what happens. Oh boy. The wind kind of picked up, but you know what? I think I can.
Okay, flaps down, flaps up, blue sky. What could go wrong? I mean, everything's fine. As long as the balance is right, I'm happy. Here goes the takeoff roll. Oh, Muskie Bob fingers element. Not bad for a work day. You gotta go fly with me. And man, I watch that weather like I got 3 days off, no overtime available anymore. So I'm going to utilize my time cleaning my house, flying my airplane. There we are, same old spot, over by the big mine. Nice big old field, blue skies, loving every second of it. Being real cautious, as you can tell. Not too much crazy flying. I was worried. I was worried about, my CG being off or anything like that. I thought, well, I should probably take it easy. At least the first one. Then I think it was pretty soon after I thought, you know what? This thing's flying just fine. Why not do something crazy? Why not go a loop? Somebody keeps texting. So here we go. I'm going to line it up, and I think I'm going to try a loop, but I don't really do it. I got to check this. Oh, nose up, nose down. Oh, over. Ah! Oh, not good.
Fuck. Shit. Well, that was stupid. I don't know what I did.